Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable assistive touch on iPhone. First thing you do is open up your settings, then you scroll down to accessibility, tap on it, and then you scroll down to touch, which is under physical and motor, tap on it, and you can see assistive touch. Now assistive touch allows you to use your iPhone. If you have difficulty touching the screen, it will require an adaptive accessory. So press it like that, and then simply turn it on at the top here, and now you can customize it. You can customize how you want it to be, remove, add, go back, single tap. What do you want single tap to do? Customize that. Double tap to do customize it. So don't press 3D. You can even create new gesture, ID, opacity, that's transparency, devices, mouse key, show on screen keyboard if you want to turn it on, always show menu, and the rest of them. That is how to turn on assistive touch on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.